In question 14, it's asking about how this automobile engine would work using limestone and HCl. So the first question asks to balance the chemical equation. So I've written it out here. And if we balance, we know we need just a 2 in front of the HCl. And we've got calcium carbonate, which is a solid, and HCl, which is aqueous. And then it creates calcium chloride, water in the gaseous phase, and CO2, which is gas. And this leads us to our second question. Try and explain how this reaction can actually turn the wheels of a car. In other words, how does the engine supposed to work? Well, in our engine part here, there's this small amount of space when the crankshaft is at the highest point. So when this reaction happens, it creates very high pressure gas at a very high temperature because this reaction is very exothermic. So when it creates this gas, it expands this volume here. This volume expands here, which pushes the crankshaft down and around. So by creating these gases at a very high temperature, they've got a lot of pressure. They increase the volume in here, this little space you can kind of see. And with that gas, it forces the piston to go down, and the crankshaft goes around in a circle until the gas cools and is released, and then another reaction happens. And these reactions happen over and over and over and over multiple times in a short amount of time, and it creates this circular motion which will move an axle, which will move a car wheel.